What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the blog again. Today is the day that we're gonna work on some more of this car, basically, because I've been kind of lazy lately. But finally, I'm gonna start working on it. First, I'm gonna run the lines for the e-brake handle down here. So I'm taking all these things out first. That's it. Alright. Oh, look how dirty that thing is. Yeah, it's dirty. Damn. So we're gonna grab this line, run it down there, show you guys how to run it. Kind of have an idea already. I gotta get this running through the chassis. I'm gonna figure it out right now. I kind of don't want to take out the stock cables in there. Those ones for the e-brake. I'm actually gonna put that back. So I'm gonna see if I could make another hole in there. So the line's in there. Let me show you on the other side. I still need to zip tie it. It's connected to there, on up, down there. So I got it through. There's holes in here. I just want to leave them because if I do want to put it back, at least it's here. Right there. They're kind of crisscross, I think, but should be good. Right there. So, connected. Oh, quiet. So yeah, that's it. That's an e-brake setup. Wilwood. Now we gotta work in this brake here. We need to get rid of this stuff so you can have more room for the turbo. Oh. So yeah, we'll work on this. Next step will be this. Then after that, we should be all clear for this guy here.
Well, because you're already gonna have this.
We can have these two right there. We'll sub top two here, then get two up here.
In the corner? Right there.
Yeah, just mark this one, Kane. Kane! Hold on, Kane. Marvin.
Here, hold on.
Hold on, it's not. What's up, YouTube? We're trying to mock this thing up because we're almost there. Look, everything's all relocated now. No more battery.
We're running
all
on
this all
we're
thing
running
is
on
out.
hopes and dreams now.
Yeah, it's almost done. Then two more sessions of this.
Two more hits on ANC?
Yeah. You know, we'll be overdrive. We'll have a car that just goes by itself.
This is so first
car.
Tesla. I mean EG or what?
Yeah. But yeah, that's what we're doing right here. The boys are here. Hey, say hi. Say hi. Hi.
What is that, Rob? Can you explain that part?
This is called a perch valve, I think. That's what it's called. For the brake booster. So it's basically some valves in here where it goes through to all this all the liquid goes through here for your brakes.
If it goes in there, it's gonna make the what sound, bro? Why does it sound like a blow-up valve?
It's a mess in here. welcome to the blog. So early morning here in California. We gotta start working on the car today again. I gotta get this car ready because I'm gonna try to get it ready for the 25th of this month, which is today's the 1st. So the 25th of this month, I gotta get it ready. I'm gonna go enter one of those events in Sacramento. It's called Spring Jam. Yeah, CMI Spring Jam. I'm gonna try to get this car running before then, get it tuned. I'm gonna give myself about a week or so to get this done, and by next week, let's say by like the 9th or something, or the 12th, somewhere around there, we'll be able to get this car tuned. Got this part in yesterday. It's still one that I've been waiting for. That's why I haven't really worked on it that much. Shout out to K-Tune. That's gonna go there. Replace this bad boy there, because this turbo, oh yeah, it hits right there, that part, and it was sitting like that. So I had to get a little piece right there to get that in. Just waiting for this gasket also. Got the gasket. So today we should be able to mock this in there, and then work on this line, relocate it somewhere in here, connect the brake line, and that's it. Get all this wire sorted out. Trying to get all the fittings by tomorrow or something, so I could mock this up. Project 10. We'll get a name for her actually. Her name is Eleanor. You know why? Because in the beginning, this thing, it was so hard for it to start. So if you guys ever seen that movie Gone in 60 Seconds, when he had that Mustang and cops were coming and the car didn't want to start, like when it started, but when it started, she was ripping. So yeah, Eleanor right here, Eleanor. Shout out to my, not sponsors, but the brands that I've been using for this car. See? Spider webs. See what I'm saying? Sponsors. Not sponsors, but companies I've been using for it. Cars, just seats are gone. You guys can see. Super dirty in here. I need to buy me a vacuum so we can clean this up. E-brake setup is off the hook. She looks beautiful. Imagine. Shout out to Finish Lines. Yeah. Here we go, guys. Project 10. Because we still haven't hit 10s yet. It's been almost been like since we had the B20 VTEC in here. My goal is really to hit 10s. Never really hit one of those numbers yet. Not even 11s yet, but 11s or 10s will be really good for the next time we go to the track. We're gonna make the car very optimal and very good, basically. And I got something for you guys. I got a little project coming up. I'm gonna show you guys just a little bit of it. She's a Midori Green EK. This is a addition to our blog right here. She's gonna be the street swipper. All for the streets, baby. I'll catch you guys in this car real soon. Getting some parts in for this car pretty soon, so we'll start on this one. And this guy here, it's stock and it's already fast as it is, so I love the color though. This is my C6 Corvette right here. If you guys know, I love cars, so speed is something that I grew up with, so cars are amazing. This is a front lift for that car right there. Yeah. For that guy. It's missing. Oh yeah. Okay. Damn. It's a lot. Okay. So we gotta take this out. Comes over here. And run this liner. Where is it? Where are you at, bad boy? This liner here. So yeah. Let's get it.